Okay, hello YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to talk about traffic and advertising your business. All right, this, particularly the traffic I'm going to be talking about has also given me upgrades in LiveGood, and I'll prove that with the stats. But this system, all right, with the traffic that's built into this, is what we're going to be talking about. All right, this system was not created by me, but it's a complete training system that was created by a good friend of mine, Ahmed. He put this system together. You can get this entire system for free. So, you go through and you set up the funnel. It's a LeadsLeap system. Okay. So, here are some of the lead capture pages that Ahmed created for us as part of the system. And he's done the videos for the and they're high converting, and great videos that Ahmed's done. These are non-video versions for the lead capture pages. So you've got about 6 lead capture pages here as part of the system. This is the bridge page that you get, okay, for the system, which is, in other words, the thank you page. But it has all the training built in. And then it goes to the steps page. You also get this page where you put the traffic systems in here, but also including the LeadsLeap as well. But it goes through all the complete training. So I think I will say what Ahmed has put together in so many ways is far better than what I've been able to do, in terms of actual training and a built-in complete system. It's like a complete package in a box. And I mean, I've got a whole lot of stuff, but it's kind of like all over the place. You need a link for this or you need a link for that. And it's not all sort of put into one system, but Ahmed puts everything into one system. But it's not only just one system, it includes a funnel as well, so that that your leads go straight through. And this is truly an automated system, built with training, but also traffic, and the complete funnel all in one package. Not only do you get the entire funnel system, but you also get the entire training with all the modules, module 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the marketing tools. But this is powerful stuff, because this doesn't, this has not left any stone unturned. Obviously you get the share codes, but you also get the autoresponder setup steps, so that you can choose whether you're going to be using the built-in LeadsLeap autoresponder, or if you're using a third-party autoresponder, it gives you training for both. And then the LeadsLeap training goes here. So is that the actually no, this is the next one. This is you get the LeadsLeap training anyway, but for the autoresponder, but you also get the this is the tracking stuff. If you need to track it, okay. And then the complete training for the actual traffic systems built in, okay. And how to set those up. It looks like a lot of stuff, but like I say, I mean, it's actually less stuff than what I've actually put together as a whole. But this is all in one system, so you can forget about anything else that you're doing. And if you just need traffic, okay, and you want to give out a free training here, like this is it. It's like got one. Just forget about anything else that you're currently doing, and just solely focus on this. I mean, if you put in, like an hour, just solidly, get yourself a coffee, get yourself a LiveGood coffee, and just focus on this. Get it set up once, because you're just doing it a one-time setup. And once it's done, you'll know how to do it. You'll have some tasks to follow every day. And I love this, because on module 5, he actually goes through some, where is it? Yeah, there it is. Some really key stuff here, which is powerful, like your goals, what you plan to do with the traffic. It's all part of the built-in system, with the easy banners that you've joined within the system, within the funnel, these are your goals that and your targets for your funnel. Okay, so this works for any business, including LiveGood. Okay, and your daily action plan, your checklist, task 1, surf infinity traffic boost. Okay, so daily, your daily tasks, your weekly and monthly tasks, all about the traffic. Once your funnel's set up, you're going to focus on this on a daily basis, just to drive the traffic to your website. Most of this is free, but if you do some work with some, Udemy solo ads, and he gives you a whole training on the Udemy stuff and how to work with the solo ads there, and the other traffic sources. But most of this you could use for free. If you don't want to pay any money, you can set this up. Okay, you can still set this up. And then you've got the marketing tools as well. So you've got the banners, okay, because you'll need some banners, all right, and you'll see what I mean by as you go through the system. But also, you've got the email swipes. So you've got complete done for you email swipes. These are separate from the email follow-up series that you get as well. But the good news is that unlike what I've done is that you actually get the email follow-up series. So even if you're not a free member of LeadsLeap, even if you're a free member of LeadsLeap, you still get the email follow-up series that you can import into other systems or just send them out manually. Okay, so that you can do what you want with the email follow-up series. But these are separate. These are email swipes that you can send out just to market your business on these various mailers. Text ads, Facebook done for you tools. Okay, recommended tools that you can use for Facebook covers and stuff like that. These are some pretty cool Facebook covers. Other stuff that you can put onto LeadsLeap. Okay, LeadsLeap banners, stuff you can use with LeadsLeap. Actually, yeah, and you can set up your splash pages. You've got some splash page training here to set up a splash page, and more. So anyway, let me just share with you because as you go through, okay, so as you go through the funnel, all right, initial funnel, you go onto a bridge page. And then when you click the bridge page, you go onto the steps page. Okay, I'm going to put this link below. All right, so then you check out these traffic platforms. But here's what I want to draw your attention to specifically. This traffic is brilliant. Okay, join targeted clicks. This is actually Amid's own traffic system. Okay, so when you click here, I highly recommend this. Okay, because this is really done for you. This is automated. And
do you struggle to get targeted traffic to your own?
So this is Amid's actual, product on Warrior Plus, and you can actually get commissions out of this as well. You don't actually have to even buy this. You can actually request to recommend this, so you can set up your funnel. So even if you don't buy this traffic, but I do highly recommend because it's so affordable. This is solo ads, guys. You wouldn't normally get solo ads for this price. But the unique thing is that you're not going to be actually purchasing specific packages. You're going to be purchasing to be on the rotator. Okay, so you're not going to know exactly how much traffic you're actually going to get. All right, you're not going to know exactly how many clicks you're going to get, or so that's the difference. All right, people will come to me and say, how many clicks are you getting? It'll vary day by day, but you're on a monthly subscription that is incredibly affordable. Okay, I personally went with the annual option and I got it done, $70, and every single day I'm going to be getting a smattering of hits, and I've gotten upgrades from this traffic into LiveGood. Now here's the thing, all right, so first of all, with LiveGood here, statistics, and then source statistics. Now here's Amid's traffic. Let me show you Amid's traffic. Okay, 47 hits. Okay, Amid's traffic. We got 11 pre-enrollees and then 2 upgrades. Now guys, I'm not going to guarantee you anything. So now here's what happened. So this actually happened many months ago. All right. And Amid has only just brought out this traffic again. So here's what happened. So many months ago, I can't remember, I think it was last summer, Amid brought this out. and then for whatever reason he got busy and he had to close it for a while. So he hasn't been running he hasn't been offering this traffic since then. Okay, but I managed to use the traffic and give it a good test. It was only 47 hits. You know, I sent it through a funnel. All right, we don't send the traffic directly to LiveGood. We send it through the funnel. We're giving you a funnel to set up, guys. Okay, so the traffic doesn't come in quickly. It comes in slowly, but you know. But it was good quality traffic. I got 47 hits to my LiveGood website, 11 of them pre-enrolled and 2 of them upgraded. This was last summer. All right, and then he had to close the traffic down because he got busy. He couldn't manage it, and you know. But he's literally within days ago, he's relaunched the same traffic. So you're on. You know, you're going to get the same service. So that's what we're talking. This is the same traffic, guys. This is the same service. You're on a traffic rotator. You're paying for a monthly subscription, or if you want, you can go for the where are we? Oh yeah, if you want, you can go for the yearly option like I did. Now there is an optional upgrade, an upsell, which I took. Can't remember what it was. I think it was about $30 or something, where you can actually double the traffic. I went for that. Absolutely, boom. You know, and that's a life deal. Okay, that's for life. So you get you get to optionally double the traffic that you get per day, but it's a life deal. Okay, and it doesn't expire. But you know, for $70 plus the extra upgrade, I highly recommend that. And that'll just you know. I mean, you know, you can focus on the other stuff that you're going to learn within the training, okay, for sure, which I highly recommend just to do it daily. But I highly recommend to get this because this will automate things. It'll keep a smattering of traffic coming into your funnel, which is what you want, okay. And you'll get all the autoresponders as well. So I highly recommend upgrading to the LeadsLeap platform as Pro member. So that you can take advantage of the follow-up system. So you're really automating things. And then every single day, just, you know, follow the other steps. Okay. And then just go through the training and then just, you know, follow the steps in the training. Okay. So that you can, you know, and also with the training, okay, you actually get this training for free. So it's currently for free, guys. So, you know, rush in and grab it. And that's what I'm talking about. This is the training that I'm talking about. Okay, where is it? That I just told you about. Yeah, here it is. So this is all the training that you're going to get for free. Okay, with everything, with all the marketing tools, the modules, the setup steps, the traffic training, even the LeadsLeap training, all in one package. If this is just one thing that you focus on, you just completely down tools everywhere else. And then just 100% focus on this. You've got the training. You'll learn everything you need to learn about how to set this up with LeadsLeap. You'll learn what you need to learn without LeadsLeap. You'll learn what you need to learn about the traffic tools. And every single day, it'll give you that, you know, that daily steps, daily goals. Go through the goals sheet right here, suggested goals. Go through the daily action plan, okay, and follow the steps so that you know every day that you follow the daily tasks within the training of the traffic that you can follow. A lot of this is free traffic anyway, but you know, set yourself a goal for the Udemy and some of my recommended traffic as well that's not in here. You know, I've also got some recommended traffic like Traffic Zest. Use some of that as well if you haven't got that page. Let me just show you my recommended. Let me see if I've got this. Should have it somewhere. There it is. Yeah, I'll put this link below as well. This is some of my recommended traffic Zest, wholesale premium traffic stuff that I use. But I don't want to complicate things. Perhaps forget about what I just said there. You know, let's just focus on what we've got here because this is pretty powerful stuff, and you'll love it. You've also got access to the Traffic Training Center. So more training as well there. I mean, Ahmed seriously delivers. I mean, you'll get access to his Facebook group, his YouTube channel. You know, I'm promoting this guy because I've known him since 2015. Okay, he's always delivered some really powerful funnels like this, and he puts everything in there, and you get one full package, something just to 100% focus on. You don't get swayed. You don't go. You don't have to look at anything else. And he's not going to pitch you on things. I mean, yes, you'll hear about some recommended traffic deals. He's mostly all around traffic. That's what he does, mostly what he really focuses on. Now, obviously he's got some of his own deals as well that he focuses on, and his own products on different platforms like ClickBank, and he's got some good products on Warrior Plus and stuff. But when you dive into his specific funnels, like what I'm talking about here, just focus every single day. Print this out and have it up on your wall by your desk, and then just go through this every day. Have you done this? Have you done this? Have you followed through with it? Have you really worked through it? Have you done it? All right. And then just do a case study every day. Maybe document everything. Set yourself up with a YouTube channel, and just do a kind of a daily case study, just to show that your leads and your followers what you're doing and your progress. And then they're going to duplicate the same thing. They're going to want to do that. Set yourself up with your own Facebook group. Okay, get people in there. Start working your list every day. Have you followed up with your mailing list? Because you're going to be building up your mailing list. Check this out, guys. I mean, imagine when you finally get to goal 8, and you follow this system. 10,000 referrals into Easy Banners. I mean, it's all traffic stuff, but this is where I've made a lot of money in this space, is through traffic systems that I've been involved in since 2011, and I'm still making money in a lot of those traffic platforms. I'm making literally thousands of dollars a month just from traffic platforms that I continually recommend. And I don't really spend a whole lot of time, not like what Ahmed's doing, but not like what he's recommending you to do here. But if you really focus on this for the next 6 to 8 months, or just keep doing it, because you'll need to do it anyway. It won't be a slog if you keep doing it every single day, because it's going to help you to build your primary businesses like LiveGood, for example, or whatever business you're involved in. So it's not going to be a slog. You're going to see results. So just follow the plan, follow what Ahmed is teaching you, and just dot every I and cross every T with this. All right, hope this video helps. Look forward to seeing on the inside, and go through it, guys. Bye for now, and we'll chat soon. Cheers.